Hello and welcome. This is Zasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to create aluminium window in AutoCAD 3D. So this was the door and window schedule that we have created in AutoCAD 2D. So we will just create same window in AutoCAD 3D. I have just copy window number 1 here, and you can see this is the window, and we will just create this window in 3D. So let's get started. Just follow me what I will do here. I will just go here in layer panel, and first I will create new layer for window. Okay, I will just give name it as 3D window. Okay, and after that I will just change the color from here. Okay, I will just change from here. Right now I need this color for example, and I will press OK. Now I will just make this as a current layer, so I will click here to make it as current layer. After that I will just click on this window layer and I will just lock this layer. Why I'm doing this, just follow me. I will just go here again and I will just start draw some lines on it to make a new window in 3D. Okay, so I will just take a rectangle command and I will go here. Okay, I will go here and I will just draw a rectangle here. Now again I will just draw one more rectangle here. Okay, from this point to this point, just follow me. And then I will just draw one rectangle here. Okay, from this point to this point. Now I will just draw one more rectangle for glass. Okay, here to here. Now it is done from here. What I will do, I will just copy this one from here. Okay, this is why just I off or lock this layer. Okay, so I will copy it here. Now let me just go here in this view. Okay, and we will start creating window, 3D window. So I will just go here. This is the window here. Okay, so let me just first create a glass here. So for that I will just use press pull command. I will go here and I will click here and I will create this glass here. Okay, so for the thickness I will just give 1 and I will hit enter. Now just we can see it as in realistic view. You can see this is the realistic view. Let me just change the transparency of this glass. I will just select this one, then I will right click, I will go into the properties, and here you can see one of the option that is transparency. So I will just give here 70 of transparency. I will hit enter. Now it will be look like glass. Okay, now you can see here. Again I just want to create slider here and here as well. There are two slider and one frame as well here. Okay, so we have to create all of these, and for that what I will do, first I will create this slider. I will just go here in press pull command and I want to create this one, so I will select this one, and for thickness I will just give 25 unit of thickness. Okay, I will hit enter. Now again I will just go here and I will just copy this one from this position to this position, because there are two sliders. So this one, and I will just copy this same as here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select both of these, then copy. Okay, I will just give this point as a base point and I will move it from this position to this position. Let me just move it. Okay, now again what I will do, I will just move it upward. Okay, because this slider, so I will just copy this one and then move it from here on this position to, just check this position. Okay, now it is looking like the slider here. Okay, now the next thing here is we have to just create a frame. So I will just go here in press pull option. I will select this one, okay, at the middle, and then I will just give a thickness. So the thickness here will be 55 millimeter. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to create it here, and you can see it is looking like a aluminum window. And this is how you can create 3D aluminum window in AutoCAD 3D. I will just go here again and I will rotate this one in 3D rotate command. I will click to activate this one, then I will just select whole of this window, hit enter. Now you can rotate on any axis. So right now I want to rotate along this axis, so I will rotate this. Okay, now you can see here. Now we have to just adjust this window. So for that what I will do, I will just go here and I will change it into 2D wireframe, and then after I will just select this one whole window. I will just go in move option and I will just pick this point as a base point, and I will go here and I will just place it here. Okay, now let's change the visual style as realistic, and you can see it is looking like this kind of window. And this is the way you can create a aluminum window. Now there is one more window and you have to create that window by your own. This is the method. I have just give you the method. Now create that window by same method. Okay, I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.